we are heading. We are all getting ready, and we pushed the button a little early, so we have to run and go have some breakfast. But we are going to the beach today, and we're going to soak up some sun and relax on the beach and do fun things, and of course we'll bring you along. All right, right now it's coffee time. See you in a minute. Oh cool, look where we got to sit, right next to the gondola that they have here in the dining room. Isn't that super cool? I think it's a really neat feature, and I don't think it's necessarily a waste of space, but I really like it. I mean, it's super cool. Anyways, coffee time for me, and I'm sure everybody else is ready. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right guys, here's the breakfast menu here. I'll put that up in the screen. In the mood for some of my favorite items, which is the avocado toast. If you've never had it, it's excellent. So, and then I'll probably have a parfait if they're available. I can't remember, parfait, yeah, and a parfait. What would you have? Write a comment down below. All right, my fruit parfait just arrived and looks really good. Very similar to the one at brunch, and usually it's not. So I'm pretty impressed, but yum. It's got a little bit of yogurt and honey and granola. Looks delicious to me. All right, I'll give it one. That's good. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, good start to breakfast. All right, guys, I'll be back. All righty. I just got back with my avocado toast, just arrived, and yeah, it looks really good. And I ordered one extra poached egg, and I got two. Looks like I'm having 4 eggs today. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast, and we're gonna go get ready to get off the ship and enjoy our day at the beach. I can't wait. I'm so ready. I haven't been in the sun in quite a bit of time. All right, see you in a minute. Got all our gear and ready to go to the shuttles, and we're gonna take a shuttle to the island and find our spot. That's the goal. Anyway, so because we have loyalty, we get to go to a gathering area. We don't need to get a ticket to go on a tender. We just go to a meeting area, and they escort us to the next available shuttle, which makes this very convenient. So the perks. That's what you get when you cruise a lot. If you haven't cruised before, for those, yeah, that's the perk. Yeah, cool. All right, we'll see you guys in just a minute. Welcome to a Half Moon Cay, or Key. It's your preference. There's no wrong answer on that. So we just got off the water shuttle, and we're just gonna go find a beach and a spot to lay out and have a good day. That's the plan for now. Oh, it's beautiful weather. It's not too hot. I've been here when it's like 90% humidity and about 95 degrees. So this is a pleasant day here. Hopefully the water's warm. And of course, I can't wait to dip in. All right, see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so we just made it over to our favorite little spot, and hopefully we can find a chair. It's the bar that looks like a shipwreck, and right outside there's two benched areas, and I'm hopeful that there'll be a chair. I see bar chairs, but that's about it. But this is what it looks like. I'm having a good day. How about you, Cheryl? Having a good day? Yeah, me too. All right. Yeah, got lots and lots of sun now. I'm just chilling out. Keeps getting warmer. I'm gonna have to jump in the water.
Such a crying shame.
Yeah, that's just too bad. Huh?
Someone has to do it.
Yep, I know I'm gonna. All right, guys, just gonna chill out here. Who knows? I might even fall asleep. All right, we'll see you guys in a sec. It must be beer o'clock somewhere, right? It's what time is it anyways? It's like beer o'clock. Oh, here he comes. Oh, look, he's bringing my beer right now. Hey, all right. Hey, got my cold one right now, ready to go. I'm just gonna remind myself that it's gonna be hot somewhere, and the water is so cold. Oh my gosh, I don't see how people are underneath the water. Oh, I gotta turn my watch on to water mode. Okay, this beach is packed. Take a look. There you go. Look at the beach. It is packed today. It's incredible. So there's plenty of people here today, that's for sure. But we got here early enough to get a nice chair. Oh my gosh. Okay, this water is not getting any more warm. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Oh my God, this is cold water. All right, I'll be right back. In your cruise fare. It is such a great experience for me. I enjoy every second to enjoy this amazing beach. It's just gorgeous. They have beach service for cocktails, and if you want to just hang out, just meet people. That's all there is to it. It's so cool. All right, guys, I think we're gonna head back to the ship here shortly. Oh, the vibe is just so tropical. I love it. See you guys soon. So it's Caribbean night tonight in the atrium, which is usually when they do the steel drums. And we're on our way there, and we'll bring you along. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we just made it to the dining room, and tonight's menu, I'll bring it up right here, is Italian night. And we're into all these yummies. And by the way, I absolutely love that the portobello mushrooms stayed on the menu because it's a delicious item, must try. It's one of my favorites. And then, oh my gosh, look at all the goodies. What will you have? Why don't you give me a description down below to let me know, because I love it all. Alright, we'll see you guys as soon as the entrees and appetizers arrive. Alright, so I ordered the stuffed mushrooms. And Cheryl, what do you think? Yeah? Thumbs up? Yeah, me too. It's a brand new presentation, and I'm going to just say it looks amazing. Oh, alright, we'll come back and tell you. Just had the mushrooms. Oh my gosh, they're so delicious. Yeah, you gotta have those. It's one of those top 10 lists, right? Carnival top 10. There you go. All right, the linguine and clams look amazing. Oh my gosh, they are so good. You gotta try these. This is one of those must orders. All right, we'll see you on the next one, guys. This is the ceviche, and I'm gonna just say it looks amazing. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. I can't wait. Oh, wow. Thumbs up for me. See you guys soon. All right, guys. Yeah, it's amazing dinner tonight. The pomodoro was amazing, and now I'm having the chicken parmesan. Okay, I can smell it. It smells amazing. I'll be right back. What an amazing dinner. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day. All day at the beach, and now we fulfill the entire adventure. I can't wait till tomorrow when we go to the best place ever. Catch that episode next. See you soon. Bye-bye.